farm tracks all the way up to Sterndale. I think I pronounced it right. To make the plan going not too easy, I'm gonna turn right. It's gonna be a little struggle. Whee. There's another section. I don't know where it's going, but we'll soon find out. I've not started proper climbing yet, and I'm already tired. Whew. But no fun standing still, as they say, so let's push this legs to the test. Why not? I know it's Sunday, but the quarry is running full blast. Strade Bianchi of Derbyshire. A little cut through, turning right in a second through the bridleways. Yep. Now you're talking. One of the best gravity bridleways out there in Derbyshire. Especially in such a perfect conditions like today.
Can I please have chocolate and hazelnut, please? Yes, please, yeah.
Incredible. Pretty warm today. I think it's already 20 degrees. Well, I'm lucky that the breeze is pretty strong outside, so you cannot feel the heat that much, and less of a sweat, I would say. But other than that, absolutely gorgeous. Dry season in full bloom, so what can be better than riding those dry trails in such a lovely conditions. Excuse me. Thank you. So I'm pretty sure that's the route Komoot is showing, but I didn't manage to upload it, the updated version, so I'm gonna have to guess. Riding Derbyshire gravel is no piece of cake. Just kidding. Woo! Bridleway towards Old Warwick, I think it's called. Nearby Carsington Water Reservoir. Byway open to all public, just off the main road, near the junction in Alderwark, where you will see in a minute the windmills on my left. Somewhere. Just take a look how beautiful it is here. freshly cut hay. Oh wow, what a smell. I'm glad I've got no hay fever, or at least not this year. Perfect conditions for this ride today, but a bit challenging, so I need to watch my fluid intake. Thank you. Towards back of Acton, heading on route called 549 of a National Cycling Network from Hartington to Hume End. Following Acton Road with the Manifold Valley Trail on my right. So Manifold Way alternative I'm riding now. Just heading to Waterhouses right now and leaving Manifold Valley Trail behind me. I hope you enjoyed that, so stay tuned.